In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in Interactive Brokers. Now, there's actually a few ways you can do this. So the first one is if you go to their website over here, so the official website, and you click on Trading and then Platforms. Over here, you'll be able to see up top, it's going to pop up the free trial button. You want to click on that. And then inside the free trial, it's going to basically tell you can go ahead and use a free trial. Just click on Start Your Free Trial. You'll basically just have to put in some of your basic info, so email, username, password, you'll have to confirm it, select your country, and then over here you also will have to set your marketing preferences, and you can then go ahead and basically start your free trial just by that. Now, here on the left, you'll be able to see what you can get with that. Now, that's the first way. However, if you already have a real account and you want to open up a demo account on IB as well, you can do that very easily because, for example, if you're an IBKR desktop, and that goes for every single thing, so for the web client, for the web portal, for the mobile version, and for IBKR desktop, you will always be able to switch between live trading and paper trading. So if you go to paper trading, you can log in with your exact same credentials. So your usual username and password that you use for live trading, you can use that in here and you'll be able to log into your paper trading account, which is basically just a demo account where you have like a million USD or something in your currency, and you can go ahead and then practice trading on that simulated trading paper demo account. Okay, so that's the second way. But if you're using IBKR Mobile, you'll be able to see on the mobile version when you're logging in, there's going to be like a button below your login page where it's going to basically say something like try a demo, and then you can try a demo there and try it on your mobile device as well. So those are the ways on how to get it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.